Hi everyone, how are you doing? Just hope everyone is fine. I'm Marge, I'm from the Philippines, and I'm here to share something that I consider really special about my life. Something important. One thing that I thought it could only be seen in movies because of all the long time that it took and that so many interesting ups and downs that happened. To everyone I talk about it, they really enjoy it and tell me I should share and post it someday. And that's why I'm here for to talk about how I met and how it was my 5-year long distance relationship with my Brazilian husband. Okay, so here we go. In 2019, I was in Kuwait as an OFW, and for sure, in this type of condition of life, there are times when you feel bored and sad, missing your country and family, right? So I thought about downloading a dating app for me to see if I could find someone special to talk to. And after a few days, I saw my partner's pictures and I clicked the like button. And for my surprise, it was a match. And
Wow.
after some hours, I received a high message from him. And there we talked for a while, shared numbers, and moved to WhatsApp in order to know each other more. And during our conversation, because that time we were just only in text message, but of course I would like to see him in video call to know if he's real, no, not scammer. So I suggested us to have a video call, but he said he was busy, that he was on his working time. Of course, I thought he was lying and I really got upset and thought he was fake and liar. So I didn't think twice. I blocked him straight ahead, not letting him come with any excuse. And you know what just happened next? How our relationship really worked out? So stay tuned for part 2, okay?